What's up everyone, it's Artist and ToysReview, and today I have the new Hot Wheels Toyota AE86 Sprintertrueno number 1/5 from Hot Wheels Drift. So it's not the same without the frame. This is bought from SPA shop at Lazada. The link will be in the description below. Toyota AE86 Trueno. So let's open this up. So this is the AE86 Trueno in blue falcon livery. This is from the Diecast 2021. So many sponsors. So let's take a look at the car. So let's see. There it says Falcon tires. There's a Formula Drift, K&N, Teen, Mothers, Parkour, and there's a 086. Looking on the hood, one of the same decals that was on the side. It's a black hood. This is matte, by the way, matte black. There's some outlines. Has the 5-spoke small wheels. So this is actually a new casting for 2020. Before this, it released once in first release was in Car Culture this year, in the Boulevard set, the Cruise Boulevard set, which had the Alfa Romeo. Take a look at the base. Toyota AE86 Sprintertrueno 2020 Mattel, made in Malaysia. So, thanks for watching. So my other reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like on this video. Bye bye.